With this new Instagram settings, I show you how to prevent a person to see you online. Welcome to the SMT channel and let's start. We have to go to our Instagram application, and once here in it we will go to the profile. Once in the profile we will click on these three horizontal lines at the top right. So this menu will appear and we will click on Settings and Privacy, the first option. Now we will see this settings menu, and here we will slide down until you reach the category How Others Can Interact with You. In this category we will click on Messages and Story Replies, the first option. To continue, click on Show Activity Status, the last option, and here will be the option to show the activity status. Just disable it and problem solved. If you liked the content, I invite you to subscribe and give a like so you don't miss anything new. In the comments I also show you some tricks on Instagram so you don't miss any news. I give you a big hug and I hope to see you soon.